So everybody out there has been discussing exosomes. It's been like the hottest new thing. The stem cell sector was really hot. It's still very, very hot. But ultimately it went to the exosomes because everybody knows now that the exosomes play a key in what transpires following a stem cell therapy. It's the signaling cues that are out there. But the problem is that this field has gotten saturated with so much nonsense actually out there that people are just selling whatever, and individuals are using products based on no science, no research, and really nothing but going on a particle count. So everybody talks about the numbers of exosomes. And unfortunately, the machine that registers this, which is a nanotrack analysis machine, it registers particles. So these are nanoparticles, the size of exosomes. But if you look at what it actually registers, it can register saline solution as a particle, which we've done testing on this. It can register something we use commonly in the lab. It's called phosphate buffer saline solution. It can register almost anything. And it registers these as particles. Not only that, if you have a product that is not clear in color, the machine works through a laser that can also get feedback that'll register these different colors as a exosome, but it's really not an exosome. You're supposed to be registering this based on the guidelines of the International Society for Extracellular Vesicles. You're supposed to be looking at the proteins on the outside, how much of it is there, 1. 2, you could use this nanotrack analysis machine, but the correct way to use that would be to also bind the exosome to a lipid dye. Because remember, the exosome is covered by a lipid bilayer, similarly to a cell. So once you bind it to that lipid dye, then you should get a correct analysis on there. Moreover, why aren't other companies showing pictures of these, images of these? I understand it's expensive. We took pictures of what we have after you thawed it. So it shows you that there's truly an exosome in there. Not only what is contained in the product, give me a list of what's inside of it and show me how that's supposed to work for a specific condition. That's where this entire sector is plagued. You have products out there that are $50, $80 an ml. Guess what? You get what you paid for. They're not functional, they don't work. I know several out there, the biggest ones that are out there, that when we test them, there is no exosomes in there. Not only is there no exosomes in there, but you can't even register protein content in there. That's why many times you will get, for instance, in lyophilized products, you will get lyophilized product, plus you'll get a vial of some solution to resuspend it in, which is cheaper than sterile water, which is even crazier. That what's in that sterile vial, products of such that they might put low molecular weight HA or some other kind of solution for topical use, is maybe the effect. What's in that powder is not the effect, because there's not much testing there. There are other products out there that we've actually tested. Once you thaw it, it's not what it precedes. People are testing these products prior to freezing them, not looking at stability of them, meaning you thaw the product and you use it. Or you take it if it's in a lyophilized form, you put the water in it or whatever solution it is, and then you test it. Show me what's in there post-thaw testing. Show me actually video evidence or what you've done. And remember, most importantly in biology, protein is function. Protein is key to these products, not the messages, not what else is in there. It's the protein that gives you an immediate effect. These are important things you as consumers need to be asking and need to be looking at. You're paying cheap per product, you're gonna get cheap results. I granted you microneedle it, you do whatever, you're gonna get an effect with microneedling. You're just charging an individual more money to use something that really is not functional. Please spend some time, do your diligence, ask for the science, ask for how the product was made, ask for those stability studies, and ask proof of what is in that product listed out.